everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be showing you guys how to generate fake chat of any social media platform. So if you are thinking of generating any fake chat, whether WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, X, any of the social media platform, or maybe for some purposes, then this video is for you. So open your browser and visit this website. Okay, visit this website. Yeah, in here, tap on the menu button. That's the three lines. Tap on the menu button. You'll be experiencing a lot of ads. So tap on the three lines. Then tap on social media. So in here, you just have to select the social media platform that you want to generate the chat. So maybe WhatsApp, Facebook. Select any of it, the one that you prefer. Yeah, and in here, you can select whether you want it to be on an iPhone or an Android. Okay. So the first tab, you can select whether you want a PC version, a tablet version. So you can select whether you want a PC version or a tablet version. The layout, you can select Android or iPhone, depending on the one that you want. The network, whether you want like 4G to be displayed on the, where the network buys, or you want 4G, you can also do that. So in here, so you're done with that, you can just tap on the message and edit it according to your needs. So edit it according to your needs. After you're done with that, you can just tap on the download, and that's it. So that's how simple and easy it is to generate fake chat of any social media platform. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and give a sweet comment, and see you in the next video.